It has different speed level. So press and hold to turn it on. 1, 2, 3. Read the description box, guys. Like I said, a mini blow dryer. It's very powerful from this distance. This is La Rosa. Welcome back to my channel. I am reviewing this mini wireless compressed air duster from Roedix R8. Let me show you. R8, and then back here it says it's three-phase brushless DC motor, mini size, and something I don't know over there. Strong power, I guess, and strong power. 30 ms. Let me come over there. 30 ms strong, wind speed, 3-speed adjustment, IP65 level dust proof, overheating protection. That's nice. So it says that you can use charging port type C. The packing size is 151 by 100 by 42 millimeter mm. Accessory is the nozzle, one nozzle. Oh, just one nozzle. Okay. Working voltage 11.1 volt. Charging power is 5V, dash, all that stuff. Read on my description box. But battery capacity is 3300 mAh, so 3300 mAh. And over there it said life more fun, easy clean, type C port, and there. Okay, I also have their Amazon website or their store on Amazon. Let me play this mini video. See that? I may not be able to do all of this. Okay, so that's how good it is. Now we'll see straight up what it can actually do. Reality versus expectation. You see all some of those things that I read down there. And then clean up your keyboard or small spaces and all that good stuff. And it's very portable. This is actually, it was $89.99. This is $89.99, but with 33% discount it is $59.99. Okay, let's unbox it. Oh, my baby. Okay, so user manual. We have a carrying pouch. I would like to see what size anyway. And this is the main thing itself. And it has this little, hello friend, thanks for your support, have a nice day. That is so cute. And it has this brush to brush off whatever. The duster, the charging cord, type C charger that I need because the kids keep messing all our chargers up when they're charging their tablet. Oh, the main guy himself, so portable. Now, what's the measurement? I need to see. One-year warranty of what. Product size, okay, still that 127.5 by 79.5 by 37 millimeters. I don't know what that is. I need it in inches and centimeters. I'm going to measure it myself, but let's pretend. So 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, about 5 inches tall, give or take. And then what's that? Thank you, you can put it up there. And then this part is about about 3 inches over here, and this is about 5 inches, and then this is about 1.5 inch. So that's what it is. Let's test it out. Actually, how do you turn it on? Down there is the charging port. I'm going to press and hold it. Okay, it's not coming on. I guess we'll have to charge it first. But that is what this area looks like. Press it one time. So I'm going to go charge it, and then we'll go blow away some things. This nozzle goes in here. So just this, and that. That's all it came in with. That's all it came in with. I'm using another charger to charge it. I'll wait a little bit and then go test it out. Okay. So I'm just going to manage this one. And this is the power button. Like I said earlier, press and hold. And it started. So this is where it blows. Now look at this. Oh, let me go to a better place. Let's pretend I'm using it like a blow dryer. Okay. Okay. Like a mini blow dryer. Okay. So you can use it and just blow dry your hair. That's for ladies. Okay, look at all these dirt. Let's blow them away. This is just an outside example. Another thing that it has different speed level. So press and hold to turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3. So that's just what it is, I guess. I thought this one would, maybe when it's fully charged, it will be on the 4th level. Or, you know, read the description box, guys. Now let me put the nozzle on. Like I said, a mini blow dryer. It's very powerful from this distance. All right. This is nice. Came to test it out here. Lowest speed. The lowest. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and ask your questions and ask the company. Like I said, the company is Roedix R8. I'll put everything on the description box in case I'm saying it wrong. because it said vogmammal.com. So regardless, guys, I appreciate you for stopping by. Have a blessed day. Bye.